Hey there, check out the Gleap Camping Chair designed for quick one-hand setup so you can relax faster. This chair supports up to 360 pounds thanks to its heavy-duty alloy frame and sturdy X-shaped base. It features double-layer 600D Oxford fabric with a soft pearl cotton interlayer for extra comfort and durability. The chair also includes convenient back and side pockets to keep your essentials close while you enjoy the outdoors. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for beach trips, lawn days, or forest adventures. Plus, its folding design saves space and makes carrying a breeze. Experience comfort and reliability on your next outdoor adventure with Gleap. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.